Hi, it's Zach here to bring you today's deal on the solar-powered motion-activated outdoor light by Farpoint. This is a really great outdoor light that you can place basically anywhere around the exterior of your home, ensuring that you don't come home to a dark house. And the nice thing about it is that it's solar-powered, so you just have to make sure you set it up in a sunny spot where it can charge up during the day and it'll work all night. This also means there's no complex wiring and you don't have to call an electrician to install these. Now, what's great about it is that there's actually two different modes. There's an on mode, which will leave the lights on all the time, and then there's an auto mode which activates it when it is dark outside and when it detects motion. Now, the cool thing is that it actually has a 500 lumen COB floodlight, so it's super bright, but then it has 6 accent LED lights which stay on at night all the time, so it kind of guides your way towards the light. Now, installing these are an absolute breeze. On the back, you'll see that there is a peel and stick pad, so you just peel off the paper and you can stick this to basically any surface, whether it's plastic siding, a PVC fence, even concrete. And there's even a pilot hole up here for a screw or a nail for a more permanent solution, or if you want to stick these to a wooden fence, that's a much better option because the fence will probably be a little bit more porous and harder to stick to. Now, we have a fantastic deal on these lights. You're going to want them all over your home, whether it's on your patio, your garage, your garden, your walkways. You'll want them everywhere, and you're going to save more when you buy more. So head on over to the site and pick up a few today.